Welcome to online lecture series. This is Dr. Ramnath Andare, Assistant Professor in Department of Zoology, KRT Art, BH Commerce and AM Science, well-known KTHM College, Nasik. Today we are going to deal with the FYBSc class, semester part 2. Today we are going to discuss about online practical session in paper 3rd, Zoology Practicals. Today we are going to discuss about the practical number 4. The aims of that practical is museum study of phylum Mollusca with its example like phyla, chiton, bivalve and octopus. Just I initiate the today's practical session. I just suggest you the prerequisite. There is the one of the book. Textbook is practical handbook is there. The zoology practical book. It is published by the Vision Publication and written by Dr. B.R. Kakut and its colleague. In that you can go through the specifically practical number 3. You get detailed good information of this practical session. Starting today's practical session, we are going to detail quick review of previous session and then start the today's practical. In previous practical, we were discussed about the phylum Arthropoda, character features of the phylum Arthropoda. We also go to the discuss about the classification of the phylum Arthropoda. In that, we also go through there is Oncophora, subphylum Oncophora, Mandibulata, and Cheliceratta. In that, there is 5 different phylum is there, and we go to the detail about each example. We can discuss about the prawn, then crabs, then cockroach. This example we discussed in the previous session with its related to class. Now in today's session we are also discuss on the museum study of phylum Mollusca. We go to the detail about the character features. Then we learn about classification with example of phyla, chiton, bivalve and octopus. Learning objective. You can learn this practical session. You can understand the different classes of phylum Mollusca. And you are also able to understand this animal, molluscan animal are ecologically important to the human society. Okay, then introduction to mollusca. The mollusca, you know that these are the soft body, aquatic, or some are marine, some are the freshwater, or some are terrestrial. That means the mollusca shows the different type of habitat. It may be the aquatic, marine, terrestrial, anywhere there are found the molluscan animal. This animal shows a bilateral symmetry, but few animals they shows the radial symmetry. Body is unsegmented without jointed appendages, because Arthropoda they have the jointed appendages, but in that phylum the all animal unsegmented and absent of the jointed appendages. Body is divided into the 3 parts: the head, mantle, visceral mass and foot. The body is converted into single layer of epidermis. The head carry the mouth, then eyes and the tentacles. This mantles the upper muscular layer or muscular body. This visceral mass is covered with the thick muscular folding muscles with extend the cover of body mass of the visceral mass, and this enclosed in the one specific space is called as a mantle cavity. Then the visceral mass they contains the different visceral organ of the body, and they compact in the dome of the structure, dome shape of the structures or hip-like structure. The foot, its ventral side, they muscular and it modified for the locomotion as a creeping mechanism. This soft body consists of the protective external covers is a cell, but some other molluscan animal they consist of the reduce the internal cell. External cell is absent, but internal cell is built, and the size is reduces. In that animal, there is present of the two coelomic cavity with coelom. Generally, they fill with the hemocoel, and which is limited to the paracardial cavity and the lumen of gonad or nephrodia. In that animal, the digestive system is complete, and radula is a grinding organ mostly present in the all molluscan animal. The nervous system is consists of the pair of cerebral, then pural, pedal, and visceral ganglia. These all the four ganglia is connected with the longitudinal transverse connectives and nerves. The circulatory system of this animal is open type, but except the cephalopods, they can found the closed type of circulatory systems. The heart in that animal, they are consist of the one or two auricle and one ventricle. That means two or three chambers. Then hemolymph is a blood of that animal. The color of this hemolymph is blue in color, and it consists of the hemocyanin pigment, and therefore it shows the blue color pigmentation. Respiration is carried by through the gill or lung, or sometimes both. In molluscan, the sexes are separated. The male body and female body is found in separate body. Okay. Then the phylum Mollusca is classified into the different classes. The first one, the Monoplacophora, then the Polyplacophora, then Scapopoda, Gastropoda, Plexipoda, and the Cephalopoda. These are the Mollusca is divided into the 6 class, and this example, the Monoplacophora, example is Neoplenia. Then the Polyplacopoda, example is Chiton. The Scapopoda is example is Dentalium. Gastropoda is example is Pila or apple snail. Then Passiploda is example of bivalve or Inu, and Cephalopoda is example of octopus. These are the 6 class with suitable example of each class. Then we can go to the detail about first animal as a chitons, and we can discuss about the systematic position of chitons. The phylum Mollusca, what is the character feature? There is soft body animal. Then it belongs to the class Polyplacophora. Why Polyplacophora? Because body is also ventrally flattened, and the cell head without eyes and tentacle. Presence of the many number of cells is connect together, and they are commonly called as the Polyplacophora animals. The cell is made up with the 8 calcareous plates are connected with each other, and they form the one cell. Order is Chitonoidea, because cell full with plate and gill covered with mantle cavity. And genus is Chiton. These are the scientific position of animal chitons. We can go to the detail about the character features. The chiton is the soft body animal with dorsoventrally flattened, bilaterally symmetrical and elliptical shapes. They curve as a elliptical and as like convex and concave in shapes as the ventral and dorsal side. Bodies consist of the cell, foot, mantle cavity, and visceral mass. Head is small and it absent of the tentacles and the eyes. Foot is located at the ventral side and which is adapted for the locomotor organ as a gripping mechanism, and it also the adhering organ as a attached to the any substratum fix. Then already you know that this is a polyplacophorus animal, that means cell consists of the 8 calcareous plate at dorsal side and covered with mantle with visceral mass. Mantle is covered the major part of the body and extended to the edges of the cell plates. It is a bipectinate type of the gill, that means gill is bifurcated at both sides, or it also commonly called as ctenidia, is located at either side of the body in the mantle grooves. Mouth and anus are located at the opposite side. These are the both organ or digestive system in the chitons. It is herbivorous and they chiefly feed on the algae. In that animal, sexes are separated, but gonad is single pair of gonoduct. Chiton found all over the world. It is cosmopolitan and it used as a fleshy food and also useful for the ornamental purpose as a decoration. You can look in the pictures as a chitons. Okay, this is a look into pictures. This is a chiton. We can look at the dorsal view and the ventral view. The dorsal view we can consist of the 8 calcareous plate, and therefore it is belong to the class Polyplacophora. There is extended the mantle cavity and it is a elliptical in shapes as dorsal side. As well as we can look at the ventral side. The large portion is the foot, then they covered with the mantle, then bipectinate type of the gill or ctenidia. The anus is present at the anterior side and the mouth is present at the anterior side and the anus is present at the ventral side. This is the ventral side, and we look at the specimen of chitons. Then the next animal is the phyla. We can learn about the very firstly the scientific position of the chitons. The chiton is look like the pictures. Okay, you can look the picture, the scientific diagram and schematic diagram of chitons. The first pictures in the left hand side. This is the dorsal view of chiton. We can look at the 8 plate structure of cell is from the cells, and therefore it is belong to the class Polyplacophora. Then it also covered with the girdles and the each plate shape. This is a elliptical shapes. Then the second picture is look like as a ventral view of chitons. It consists of the anterior side mouth and the posterior side anus. Both sides there is covered with the gill as a bipectinal gill. Then there is large covering at the outer edge. There is a mantle girdle, and centrally there is large portion is covered. This is a foot, and it is a fully visualized as a ventral side. Then the third picture, it is a specimen, actual specimen is observed in the laboratory. This is a dorsal view. We view the pictures and they have show the 8 calcareous plate and over the girdles. Then the next animal is the phyla. We firstly discuss about the scientific position or classification of phyla. The phyla is belong to the phylum Mollusca because soft body animal. It belong to the class Gastropoda because the cell is a twisted, spirally coiled, sometimes dextral or sometimes sinistral type of covering. Then this visceral mass is spirally coiled and show the torsion, and it okay. The cell is made up with the single plates, therefore it belongs to the class Gastropoda. Then order Mesogastropoda because the mouth cavity they consist of the 7 radula with 7 teeth, saw like movement. Then it is consist of the monopectinate type of gill. Then genus Phyla and species is Globosa. The phyla is basically, we can discuss about the phyla globosa is common character as commonly called as a apple snail. It consists of body which consists of the foot, visceral mass, polymer mantles and covered with the single calcareous cells. The cell is univalve, the type of coil, the axis, their coil is axis is called as a columella, and open at the ventral side it is called as a aperture. The topmost cell of wall is known as apex, and the large portion of the cell body is covered. This is known as a body walls. The walls are connected with each other with help of the one circular. The body wall is open at one end, and this opening is covered with the one structures. That structure is commonly called as the operculum, and this operculum is well developed, and it acts as a lead of whole cell. Then at the time of activity, head protruded outside the cell, and it bears the 2 pair of tentacles and 1 pair of eyes. Again, another part, as a ventral side, there is large muscular plate. It is a plate, and this commonly called as a foot. This foot is act as a gripping function at the time of locomotion. In this animal, respiration occurs through the gill or ctenidia in aquatic environment, and they use the lung in the terrestrial environment. In this animal, sexes are separated. The Phyla globosa, it is a herbivorous animal, mainly feed on the aquatic plant like Melisneria. Then in this Phyla globosa is distributed in Oriental and the Ethiopian region. We can see the pictures of this is the actual environmental, the natural environment Phyla globosa, and this is schematic diagram. We can also go through this is the anterior wall of cell, it is apex, then middle, the second and third wall is the penultimate, and all walls is connected with the sutures. This large wall, it is known as a body wall, and this body wall, the present of the line, it is known as a vertex. The body wall is open with the ventral side. This is opening is covered with the one lead like structure. This is known as operculum, and this operculum, there we can see the whole part of opening is fixed, and it is act as upper, the notch is there, the lead is fixed in the notch of this opening of wall. This is umbilicus, and we see the line of growth on this operculum. This is known as a line of growth, which is useful for to measure the age of Phyla globosa. Then the next animal, this is a bivalve or univalve. We can just go to the scientific position or systematic position of bivalve. The bivalves is belong to the phylum Mollusca because it is soft body animal. The class Placipoda because this animal consists of the two cell, and this two cell, the equal part is cell connect with the hinge ligament, and they fix the body. The soft body is covered in the two cells. Then body is laterally complex. Order Elasmobranchiata, because the gills are filamentous folded body, the basket-like structure. In this animal, foot is usually large. The genus of this animal is Unio. Then we go to the just gender character of bivalve. The bivalve is commonly called as a freshwater mussel. The body is soft, bilaterally symmetrical, because this body is covered with two equal half part. Therefore, it is bilaterally symmetrical. Again, it is unsegmented, and it measures about 5 to 10 cm length. It covered with a two calcareous part of the cell is covered with a soft body, and this two part of cells is they covered with the left hand and the right hand side. Whole body is covered, the whole soft body is covered in the left hand and right hand side. These two parts of cell are connected with the hinge ligament at the dorsal side or anterior region. The respiration is occur through in this animal the presence of the siphon, and through two type of siphon, that means the exhalant siphon and the inhalant siphon, and this siphon is located at the posterior end of mantles. In this animal, the sexes are separated, but this animal does not show the sexual dimorphism, because the male bivalve and the female bivalve, they are fully similar. They not show any differentiation in the male and female Unio. It is found in the freshwater body like pond, lake, river, and most of time these all animals are buried in the sand or mud. These animals are distributed in the India, USA, Europe, and some part of Atlantic slope. The bivalves, basically, we can look at the outer side structure. There is present of the umbo, that means anterior portion as a narrow portion of these walls. This is the umbo, and the anterior end at the dorsal region. This is we can see the line of growth on that. Then mantle is consist of the two lobes, and these two lobes, the anterior posterior, they are connected with these two lobes. Their adductor muscle is well developed, and they actively participate at the time of activity, the opening and closing of these two cell structure or two walls. In this animal, foot is large, muscular, which is base shape, and this foot is useful for the burrowing function. Just we can see the pictures. This is a schematic diagram. These two walls is separated, and these two walls are connected with at the anterior region, and this anterior region represent of the hinge ligaments, and this hinge ligament, they at this region they are connected with one part, and in this present the muscles, the adductor muscle is covered, and we can see that this line, we can see that this line is pallial line, and this margin that fix the posterior region, they connect together the two walls. This is the ventral margin. Same like we can see that the anterior region there is narrow portion. This narrow portion is known as a umbo, and we can see the line of growth. Again, in this animal, this is a line of growth. We can measure the age of bivalves. This is the schematic diagram of bivalve, and in that the right hand pictures, we can look at the pictures. This is the actual specimen of bivalve, and the posterior region there is present of the siphons. This is exhalant and inhalant siphon we can observe in this specimen. Then the next animal, the octopus. We can just go through the systematic position of octopus. The phylum, this octopus is belong to the phylum Mollusca because soft body animal. Then the class is Cephalopoda. The reason the word is indicate that this animal, they have well developed head region. The Cephalopoda is well developed the head region. They are exclusive marine animal. In that animal, the cell is absent. The body is absent. Cell, protective covering of cell is calcareous cell is absent in this octopus. Foot is modified into the siphon and the tentacles. Then this animal belong to the order Octopoda because there is 8 arm with sessile suckers present on that, and therefore it belong to the octopod. The dorsal mantle cavity is well developed and body is short and compact. The genus is octopus. Then we just go to the gender characters of the octopus. The octopus is commonly called as a devilfish. It is not fish, but it also called as a devilfish. The body is unsegmented, the symmetrical and soft body animal. Head bears the pair of eyes. Then the mouth is surrounded with 8 elongated equal arms, usually bearing the sessile suckers, and usually the cell is absent in that animal. Then in this animal there is present of the one specific gland is there. That gland is known as the ink gland. The ink gland is useful in the water. It acts as a defensive function because at the time of any victim that attack to the octopus, they secrete the ink gland, ink secretion, and the environment of the around the octopus there is make it the cloudy, smoky, cloudy environment, and ultimately they will leave from the victim enemies. The male in this there is sexes are separated. We can look, they show the sexual dimorphism. In male, we can see the one arm is hectocotyle arms, which bear the spoon-like shape structure. This organ at the one end of the arms, and that we can look at the spoon-like structure. It commonly called as a male octopus. This arm is used as a cares of the female, and it deposit the spermatophores beneath in the mantles. Most of time this octopus is a carnivorous animal. It feeds on the crabs, bivalve and the fishes. Octopus, it is active in night time, therefore it is a nocturnal marine animal which is inhabited in the diverse region. The ocean include the coral reefs, then pelagic water, the ocean floor, and this octopus is distributed in the all over the aquatic environment in the earth, and this is therefore it is the cosmopolitan distribution of that. It generally found in the India, Europe, Pacific. You can see the pictures of the octopus. This octopus, we can look at the pictures as octopus. This is a schematic diagram, and this schematic diagram there is present of the large ocean is covered with the mantle cavity. It bears the 8 tentacle with sessile sucker. At the center they present of the mouth, and it bears a pair of eyes. Same like we can see the specimen of the octopus. Thank you.